Pickle here, and in today's video I'm going to be baking a cake. So first things first, you're going to need a table like so. You will also need some strawberry flavoring, a bag of potatoes, don't ask why, some eggs, a rubber ducky, another thing you shouldn't ask about, some flour, and this pink plate, specifically this one because it's really cool looking. Oh, and I almost forgot, you're going to need a gigantic bowl. Thank you. So the first ingredient you are going to need to put in your gigantic bowl is the flour. The next thing you are going to have to put in your gigantic bowl is the strawberry flavoring. After that, you have to put the rubber ducky in. After the rubber ducky, you put in the potatoes. It will be hard to fit them in though. Then we add a couple eggs. Oops. Then we add a couple eggs. And the honey. Then it's the fun part. We mix. Make sure you mix up everything very well. Like so. Next, we bake. Make sure to put it in the biggest oven you can find. And set it for 5 minutes. And then you wait.
Da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da. Hey, look, something is baking. It smells good.
No, don't open up the oven or else something really bad will happen.
What could possibly go wrong if I open up this oven? There's only 1 minute left. It's not like it's gonna hurt it.
Okay, if you want to, you can, but I warned you. I'm getting out of here. Bye.
Oh my gosh. Ah! It's hideous!